Hello, everybody. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative. While it's not really quite time to actually pack for the cruise, it is a good time to get started and pull things aside. I do that to kind of check over things to make sure maybe I might be missing something, or maybe something's ripped and I need to fix it, or, a plethora of other things. All right, so I'm in my bedroom and I'm using my bed to kind of lay everything out. We're going to be gone 14 nights on the ship. And so I have to think about what I'm wearing, some of the activities that are going on, how many sea days, and so forth. Now, as most of you know that have followed me, you know that I like to make jewelry. So one of the reasons that I'm kind of laying things out and seeing what I have is to see if I need to make any more jewelry, which I think there may only be one pair of earrings I need to make. For this grouping right here, I need to make a pair of earrings. So what I like to try to do is to think about having two tops for one bottom. So the reason it's two tops and one bottom is, well, when you're in the Caribbean, it is a lot hotter there. And you're going to tend to sweat more. We all sweat. And so your top is going to get a lot ickier, quicker. So that's why I figured I can wear my bottoms more than once, but not necessarily my tops. All right. We have two more tops here, a pair of another pink bottoms. And I've already got the earrings and the necklace all made. I actually have a video of this coming up in May. Scheduled out quite far, but anyway, got that coming up, so stay tuned for that. And then let's move on to this outfit. I'm not for sure I'm going to actually take this outfit on the cruise with me. It may be a backup. I've got two tops again. I am going to be spending time with my mom and my sisters for a little bit, and so I do need some extra clothes while I'm there. But anyway, I've got the jewelry for that. And then here I have a pair of jean capris. These I could probably wear many days. And I have taken only capris, like 4 or 5 capris for, I think that's what I did for a couple of weeks last year. But I'm doing a little bit different this year. But anyway, I do have 2 t-shirts that I will be bringing for this. And then I have another pair of denim capris. These are darker, with two shirts. And then I have to bring my Larimar, and this is my Larimar and my amber. And I do have videos on these pieces of jewelry. So now I have these 2 tops, this one and this one, with my jewelry. And the pants are going to be some capris. At the bottom they have something like this. They match really well, but they're in the laundry right now. So as soon as I get them washed and dried, I will be folding them up and sticking them with this. And I already have the earrings and necklaces, so no jewelry for that. And now my dresses. Let's start with Elegant Night. Usually I bring 2 long dresses. I am bringing 1 long dress. I think we only have 1 Elegant Night per week, if I'm not mistaken. And you know what? If it's more than that, oh well. But I really like this dress. I do have to fix it, though. Let's see. There it is. Right there. I'm not for sure. I'm not much of a seamstress, but I need to fix this piece of lace that's raveling. See, this is why you get stuff out early and kind of inspect it a little bit. But I do have this necklace and a pair of earrings that match that I'll be bringing. This little turtle necklace I got when I was in Roatan. And then I bought all these beads when I was in Cozumel. And so that was a cruise several years ago. When I came home, I made myself a necklace and a pair of earrings. But I love this dress, and I think it's going to look really nice for Elegant Night. I mean, it's not real elegant and dressy, but it is pretty. White nights, we have this dress. It's just all white, little bit of wood ties on there. This is a puka shell here. And sorry for the shadows there. And some freshwater pearls. And let's see, I do have some earrings. Where are the earrings? Got these earrings that I'll be wearing with them. So I fixed my dress. If you get really close, you can kind of tell there was something going on, but when you're far away, you really can't tell. And nobody needs to be up that close. By the way, I said something about this being a long dress. It's actually a short dress. So I'm bringing one short dress to wear to the 2 gala, I think they call them, or formal activities, or the fancy night. There was also another section over here. Where was it? That I had to fix. So I had 2 areas. Oh, maybe they were both on this side. Right there and right there. I thought there was another one over here. Yeah, I'm sorry for all the shadows. We have a very cloudy, rainy day today, and it's just, I don't know, gloomy. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring this dress for probably tropical nights. And I made this little tropical starfish necklace to go with this dress last year, actually. And then I think, I'm not for sure, I may be bringing this orange dress. It's just a simple, really comfortable dress. And I had this necklace that I made a couple years ago, and I may wear with it. I haven't decided yet. This is still an iffy. One other thing that I think is very important to pack is some type of a sweater or jacket. Now this is going to go good with all my dresses, but I'll have another probably zippy hoodie type thing that I'll have for just casual wear when I'm on the ship. Believe it or not, it can get a little chilly. So I have everything just kind of put in there neatly. This is one of those pieces of luggages that I'm planning on taking. I do need to find some type of a little light jacket or maybe shrug. That's probably what I'll bring for elegant night for my black dress. And I neatly piled all my jewelry in this bowl. I do have a few more pieces that I want to add to it. So at a later date, I'll actually be doing another video more in depth on the jewelry that I'll be bringing. You know, on my other channel, I make jewelry, and so I love to make it for different outfits, and I'll go through one by one showing you what I'm bringing and why. And this will be including some lanyards. And I will also be doing a video on shoes. That's a whole separate video. Some of us can go a little hog wild with too many shoes. So I'll have a video on how to kind of hone that down a little bit. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.